Hey everyone, my name is Hamid Hussain and welcome to my YouTube channel Commerce Online. In my previous videos, I have solved question number 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 and 1.6. So today I am going to solve 1.7, that is J. Novex is setting up a new business. Before selling anything, he bought van for 8,750, a transportable market stall for 2,400, a computer for 490, an inventory of goods for 12,300. He did not pay in full for his inventory of goods and still owes 8,200 for them. He borrowed 3,000 from L. Fox after the event just described, and before trading start, he has 200 cash in hand and 1440 in the bank. Calculate the amount of capital. So what you need to do, you need to find out capital, and in order to find out capital, what you need assets, so that you can subtract as liabilities from assets, and you will get what? You will get capital. As there are so many assets, so what we need to do, we first divide them in their nature. So non-current assets and current assets are nature of assets. So if you don't know and you have some problem in what kind of assets are, so you should watch my lecture in which I have explained what are assets, and this is on my YouTube channel Commerce Online, so you can watch what are assets. So let's solve. First you need to write the name of owner, that is J. Novex. And what we need to do, we need to make balance sheet. What is balance sheet? Balance sheet is basically a statement which shows what assets and liabilities a business has. So here I will start with non-current assets. Non-current assets are those current assets which has useful life more than 1 year. So here when has useful life more than 1 year, so that is why I wrote van in non-current assets. So the amount of van is 8,750. Transportable market stall is for 2,400, and computer for 490. So what I need to do, I will add them all, because only when transportable market stall and computer are non-current asset, and inventory of goods, cash in hand and cash at bank are my current assets. So the total non-current assets are 11,640. So now I will write current assets, draw a line under it, and then I will read inventory. An inventory of goods for 12,300. So I will write 12,300 here. Cash at bank. Cash at bank. Look, 1,440 in the bank. That shows cash in bank. And the last one, cash in hand, that is $200. So cash in hand, that is 200. So I will add all of them, that is 13,940. So that are my total current assets. So if I add my non-current and current assets together, I will get 25,580, and that is my total assets. So first thing we have solved, and that is our assets, our amount of assets. So after that, what I wanted liabilities. So here in my liabilities, I will write the first thing which shows my liability here, that he did not pay full of his inventory of goods and still owes 8,200. 8,200 shows my liability, that is account payable 8,200, and he took loan. He borrowed 3,000 from L Fox. So I wrote L Fox and 3,000. Add them together, that will be 11,200, and this amount represents total liabilities. So when I subtract total liabilities from total assets, I will get 14380, and that is my net assets. And ultimately this shows what? This shows the amount of capital, which is 14380. So this is our basic thing, that in order to find out capital, what you require, you first need to find out the amount of assets a company has, a company owns, and then less liabilities from amount of assets. So you will get, in simple words, net asset or capital. And that's it for today. I hope you like my lecture. So if you want to learn O-level accounting, so subscribe my channel. And if you have any query or question, comment on the channel, and please I deserve some like. Thank you.